In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method in Facebook Marketplace to receive payments seamlessly. If you've delved into the world of Facebook Marketplace, you know how convenient it is to trade with people in your local area or even farther afield. But what makes the experience truly streamlined is setting up a reliable payment method. So let's get started with this crucial step. First, and most importantly, you'll need to head over to Facebook. Start by opening your web browser or app on your device and logging into your Facebook account. This is where all your marketplace interactions begin. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Facebook page, which serves as a hub for accessing Facebook features, including Marketplace. Next, you'll want to navigate to the menu. Usually, you'll find this in the form of three horizontal lines, often referred to as a hamburger menu, located at the top or bottom of your screen, depending on your device. Clicking on this menu will reveal a range of options available on Facebook. Now direct your attention to the Orders and Payments section. You'll see this option as you scroll through the menu. Clicking on Orders and Payments is key, as it takes you directly to the area where you can manage your payment methods for marketplace transactions. This section is designed to simplify how you view and control your payment setup. Now it's time to add your payment method. You'll see an option labeled Add Payment Method. Clicking here is a crucial step, as it opens up possibilities for you to choose how you want to receive payments from buyers on Marketplace. The system prompts you to select from multiple payment methods, ensuring you can choose what best suits your needs and preferences. For the purpose of this example, let's select PayPal as our preferred payment method. PayPal is known for its security and ease of use, making it a popular choice among users. So, click on the PayPal option. Doing so will prompt you to log into your PayPal account. Make sure you have your PayPal credentials handy, as you'll need to link the account with your Facebook Marketplace setup. And there you have it. Once PayPal is linked, you can begin receiving payments directly through it, streamlining your transactions and enhancing your marketplace experience. Remember, set a system that works for you and don't hesitate to revisit these steps if needed, as flexibility is one of the marketplace's best features. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process of adding a payment method on Facebook Marketplace clear and easy to follow. Happy buying and selling, and enjoy the convenience of your newly set up payment system.